Hi, in this video, let us understand what are the various factors which affects hedging. The first factor is difference in the quality. The difference in the quality of the product which you are holding and the specification given in the future contract. So if there is a difference between these two, then the basis will increase. Hence, we should try and find only those future contract which matches the quality specification as per the items which you are holding. The higher quality will have a higher premium and lower quality products will have a lower premium. Accordingly, you have to select. The second is the location differences. While taking future contract, you should find out the location mentioned in the future contract and try to take a position in only those future contract where the location is nearer to you. Any change in location will have higher basis because of increased fuel cost, distance and other factors will contribute to the premium of the futures contract. Next is timing differences. Timing difference means if a future contract is closed before the expiration of the future contract, then in the basis risk will always be present. So we have to ensure that the timing is correctly matched while taking the future position. Hedgers, very often, roll their positions to the later months. So we have to be careful about that. Next is supply demand dynamics. So whenever there is a shortage of supply in the spot markets or in certain locations, then the basis risk will also accordingly increase. Events like weather, transportation disruption, policy changes, all these factors will affect the basis risk. Now, as far as financial assets are concerned, any interest rate volatility or if the dividend period is coming nearer, in such case also, in futures contract of financial nature, the basis risk will accordingly increase. So how do we manage these basis risk? There are three methods of managing basis risk. One is the tactical and another is strategic. In case of tactical method, you only choose appropriate contract as per the quality of product which you are holding. Then you carry out a historical basis analysis to see whether how the basis has performed in the past few months. And finally, you time your hedging because you will take future contract only when the basis is very less. As far as the strategic solutions are concerned, you can do cross hedging optimization and you can do dynamic hedge adjustment. Matlab frequently, you frequently adjust the hedge. That is called as dynamic hedge adjustment. And you can use options to cover the any basis risk in the market.